Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, Forex robots, Forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the Forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic.
Make a forex robot work for you. Somebody asked me, they found a forex robot that they like and they believe that the robot has potential, but it does make money and then it takes the money back. So what can they do to ensure that the forex robot is profitable for them in the long run? So here's how I've approached forex robots. My approach with forex robots. I know there is this thing about people just handing these forex robots money and they go and they leave the robot to do whatever it wants to do. At least that's what the programmers, the people that are selling these robots, want you to believe. Unfortunately, in the real world, sometimes it's not as simple as that. What I've noticed is you need to constantly pay attention to that robot. You supervise it. Do not mean supervise it every minute or every second, but depending on the style of your trading, at least during the day, make sure that you are aware of what the robot is doing. Where is the market going? That's what's important. That's what has helped me to actually make some robots that were not profitable into potential money makers. Basically, my approach has been, first of all, when I wake up in the morning, which I believe every forex trader should do, is to get on the markets and do your analysis. I think the problem with forex robots is also that people rely on them to do everything. People want the robot to do everything for them, from the analysis, from execution trades, from managing the account, and they just want to sit back and fold their hands and watch the money coming in. If it were that simple, I'm sure every person that has ever bought a robot would be a billionaire by now. But if you go and ask them, they are not. There's a reason for that. So what I do usually when I wake up is I go to the charts, I go and try and get an idea of where is the market going for the day. Where is the market going for the day? For example, we are on the GBP USD here, and it seems like we are going back up. This will be a good opportunity to put in my robot so that it buys as the market continues going up. Underline buying. It's buying when the market continues going up. Let me take an example of a robot, one that I've used, and I hope you can see what I have on my screen. You can always watch this video again if you do not understand anything. So basically, when it comes to here, I'm looking for settings like this. I'm sure every robot will have a setting like this. So because my analysis is showing me that GBP USD is in a potential buy, what I want to do is, when I go here, I am only setting the robot to take longs. Why would I want to have the robot long and short in this scenario when we are in a position to buy? Why would you want to do that? That's how people end up giving back the money that they've made in the market with their robots. Or unless your analysis here is telling you to short, then certainly you just want to short with the robot. But here my analysis is telling me that I need to look for buying opportunities. The market is in a potential buy position. So when I plug in the robot, certainly I am only setting it to take long positions. That's what we mean by don't just let this thing do everything for you. When we say supervise the thing, it means I prefer doing my analysis. And maybe let me close this a bit. I prefer doing my own analysis, and when I get an idea that the market might be going this way, for example, there we are looking at some 137 pips, then I'll certainly drop to the 1 hour or the 30-minute or the 15-minute, whichever is good for me. Then I will plug in the robot to trade from that time frame. But while it's trading that time frame, it's certainly buying, it's not selling. There are going to be pullbacks like this, but it's not going to pay attention to these ones. It's just going to continue buying. So it's going to buy, and the other thing is it's going to actually have a trailing stop system. So it's probably going to trail the entries as it continues going up. It will be trailing the entries as it continues to go up. In that situation, there is limited chance of you blowing your accounts with the robot. So don't be lazy. Don't leave the robot to do everything by itself. What you want to do is do your own analysis and get an idea of where the market is going. Then plug in your robot and make sure that it goes in your direction. If I happen to be wrong, that's fine. That's why the robot has got a stop loss system. By the way, the robot needs to have a stop loss system so that well, in case I'm wrong, the stop loss is already there. Then if the market certainly happens to turn against me, then for example, if we see a massive drop to this side, then whatever trades that it was going to take here, the moment I start seeing it taking maybe 2-3 losing trades, I know I need to switch it off and see what exactly is happening with the market. Is the market going down? If the market is going this way, then I certainly need to change my robot so that I take advantage of the changing market conditions. So that's how you trade with Forex robots. That's how I've traded with Forex robots. You don't just hand them your money and leave them to do their thing. No, you actually have to constantly monitor them, and importantly, tell the robot what to do, which means do your own analysis. In this situation, I love situations like this where I still have room of the market either coming around this area or continuing up to around this area. I don't like to plug the robot when the market is already here and the target is already there. That is a problem, because the market might turn here, but here there is a high chance of the market going down, and here there is a high chance of the market going up. So I'll target my robot to start trading from here so that it takes advantage of this movement. Here I cannot plug the robot to only trade this space. That is gambling. Okay, if you have questions on also how to use Forex robots to make money, and if you have a way that you use, a trick that you use to make these Forex robots work for you, that is not scammy, that is actually working for you and making you money, leave your comments, your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have ideas, if you have topics, if questions regarding robot trading, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to respond to them. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.